It's the Golden Compass. It's by me. It's a movie. Making it. Yay. All casting and maybe making camera work and everything is by me. Yay.
Oh my, Pantalimon, what a wonderful dining room this is. All the plates seem to be made of gold. Because the plates are made of gold. Oh my, we are rich. Yes, I am your demon. And I am part of your soul, so I agree with you. I have morphed into something invisible. Woo! Oh my, Pantalimon, the dining room. I've morphed. The retiring room. Maybe I should enter it. No, Lyra, if you do, you'll get in trouble because you are but a child and children are not allowed in the retiring room. Well, I'm going to anyway! Here I am in the retiring room. Don't worry, Pantalimon. Lord Asriel will be here to present the lantern slides for a while. Oh no! Someone is coming! I shall poison this bottle of Tokay that is sitting here with this white powder that I have. It's a perfect crime. Oh no! I think he was trying to kill Lord Asriel. What should we do, Pan? Oh my! Here he comes now! I shall drink this bottle of Tokay!
Is this holding distraction? Distracting or?
You can't drink that! You stupid girl!
We'll move that into the background.
You have poisoned me with your axe. But someone was going to poison you with real poison, not just metaphorical poison. You still are not allowed in here. What were you doing? I wanted to be in here to see what the retiring room was like. You may have saved me, but you're not off the hook yet. Stay here and listen to what he says to the person sitting beside him inconspicuously. In the meantime, I'm going to give myself a new bottle of Tokay. Thank you. Do you think he knew about that Tokay being poisoned? Almost definitely. I do think he knew. He spilled that wine on purpose. Well, the alethiometer, which you do not know about, predicts that he will. A lot of bad stuff will happen if he pursues his research. But then, must be stopped. By all means. Lyra is in a prophecy. Blah, 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 prophecy. Blah, blah, can't do it without knowing it. Blah, blah, blah. Thank you. That was very important. I'm Mrs. Coulter. Hello there, Lyra. Oh my! You are amazing. I am amazed. You should be. Want to come to the north with me? Oh, please do take me to the north. Me and my demon Pantalimon would love to come. I would love you to come. Come, we must go. Alright. Hello, I am the master. I am the person that poisoned him. But I already knew that. That's good. Take this. This is the alethiometer. Please do not show. This is Coulter. So, may I ask why? Don't ask questions. Questions are bad. Just like Mrs. Coulter, if you let her know about this alethiometer. What does it do, though? Oh, but it tells the truth. It definitely tells the truth. It does not lie. Not one lie has come out of its golden needles. Okay, I shall learn how to use it. Goodbye, don't shore. Goodbye. Hello, Mrs. Coulter. Is this your apartment? Oh boy, but it is my apartment. It is. It definitely is my apartment. That's great. So, shall we go to the north? No, not yet. We have to do a bunch of unnecessary time stuff to stall. Oh, okay. So, are you ready for the dinner party? I just do this. Well, yes, but I am. Take that silly handbag off your shoulder. Oh, but I sorry. Oh, but I do like it. Take it off, it looks silly. I don't care, I like to wear it. Take it off. My demon shall attack you now. Rah! Oh, my pen, she knows about the Elysium. Well, Lara, she knows. We shall escape. So she can get it. Yes, we shall escape. Goodbye.
Just go along with it.
I don't know, Pezimon. Do you think they escaped? Oh no! Someone is coming! Ah! We caught her. She's trying to escape. We caught her. Boom! What? You just got your ass kicked by Egyptians! Boom! You freed Lyra! Boom! Never mess with them, with those Egyptians. Ow! I got beaten. Ow! Where are you? Where are the Egyptians? I am dead. You have killed me. Lyra, we have enough saved you. Oh, well, thank you. I thought we were going to die. But who are you? We are the Egyptians. The Egyptians? Wow, you saved me. I'm sorry for doing stuff. What is that? You got Lily Fiona. You don't like them as gobblers. Let's go find somebody to help us in our conquest against them. Okay, we should bring them. Sailing home. Sailing, sailing home. We're sailing out home. Jesus above. Now see. Jesus above. You'll be smiling at the phone. Smile.